In the previous video lecture, we have discussed uses of accounting. In this video lecture, we will discuss advantages and disadvantages of accounting. So let's start with the advantages. Before starting advantages, we will discuss again the meaning of financial accounting. It is a branch of accounting that records each financial information and analyzes it to determine the financial position of the business. It is a process of recording, summarizing, analyzing, and presentation of all financial transactions of business in the form of financial statement. In financial statement means in monetary terms. Financial accounting involves the preparation of various financial statements like income statements, cash flow statement, balance sheet, etc. using accounting principles. These financial statements are prepared on a routine basis by companies and presented to all its stakeholders. This is financial accounting, where every transactions are doing in the financial form, and for whom these transactions are done for our stakeholders, for our various users, whether it may be our internal user or whether it may be our external users. So financial accounting aims at delivering a fair and accurate image of financial affairs of business. Affairs here refers our operations, various activities, to all its stakeholders. Stakeholders means our shareholders, we can say. It is done in accordance with rules provided by GAAP. GAAP we have studied, IFRS we have studied, GAAP Journal Accepted Accounting Principles, Information Financial Recording Standards. It is an important tool for management in their decision making as they depend on financial reports for decision taking and forecasting purposes. Let's start with the advantages of financial accounting. First, maintain business record. Financial accounting maintain various types of business records on day-to-day basis, on monthly, on weekly, quarterly, yearly basis. Financial accounting records each and every transaction of business organization. It systematically maintains a proper book of accounts, systematically, where each and every transactions are recorded in chronological orders, date-wise or systematically of monetary transactions. Unlike human memory, which has a limited capacity to remember things, financial accounting can record large amount of transactions. So this is the first advantage, that business accounts, or we can say accounting, maintain our business records, and through that record we are able to find out the financial position of the business. Next, prevention and detection of fraud. If each and every transactions are there in accounting, then definitely we are able to find out the frauds, or we can prevent our staff, our companies, our managerial members to from that fraud. Avoidance and detection of frauds or errors is important role played by financial accounting. It records all financial data fairly, which is used by management for analysis purposes, because each and every transaction is analyzed by the experts, and when experts find out any error, this is the big advantage that we are prevent from any future losses. This data acts as proof and reduces the chances of any frauds or errors in future. Next, present true financial position. As we have discussed earlier, that it prevent frauds from errors, so that after preventing these types of frauds and errors are eliminated, then what we get? We get true financial position of the business. Financial accounting reveals and interpret the true financial position of organization. Interpret here refers are just like analysis. It records each financial aspect and supplies it from time to time to the internal management team. Managers get the real ideas of all financial resources of the organization regularly through data supplied by financial accounting. It helps them in making proper decisions for managing the overall financial position. Next, helps in preparing financial statements, because each and every terms, transactions, events, accounts are prepared in accounting. So using the these events, accounts and transactions or journals, we are going to prepare financial statements. Preparation of financial statements is a must for knowing the true profit or loss and reveal worth of organization. Financial accounting supplies all relevant accounting data for the preparation of financial statements like P&L account and balance sheet. Financial statements include basically two types of accounts. First, profit and loss accounts and balance sheet. Next, comparison of result. We can compare our result with the previous one or with the past one. Financial accounting helps in comparing the performance of business organizations. It systematically records and stores financial data for many accounting years. This way, comparison of present data with previous year data can be easily done. Act as legal evidence. Why legal evidence? Because every terms transactions are recorded, and we can give these transactions as a legal evidence in front of others if any disputes is therein will be there in future. Financial accounting serves as legal evidence of all data and helps in setting off all business disputes. It prepares and maintains systematic books of accounts of all financial transactions, which can be used for avoiding any confusion or misunderstanding. Now, assist the management. Managers depends on financial accounting for various data for taking managerial decisions. It provides the full informations regarding all cash flows in an organization. They can easily anticipate any surplus or deficit of funds in an organization and take decisions accordingly. Let's discuss some disadvantages of financial accounting. Start with the records only financial aspects. First, records only financial aspects. Yes, this is the first drawback, that each and every transactions are recorded in financial form, in monetary form, in money terms. The foremost disadvantage of financial accounting is that it considers only monetary transactions. It does not take into account various non-financial aspects such as market competition, economic condition, political situation, etc. All these factors have a great influence on the functioning of the organizations, but these are not recorded because they are not in the financial form. Next, historic in nature. Every terms transactions are recorded in the form of monetary terms. These are recorded on past basis. That's why the nature is in historical. Financial accounting provides all historical data from past activity. It does not provide data on day-to-day activity. Rather than it accumulates all accounting information of a particular accounting period at the end of that period. All financial decisions of future are taken on the basis of this past information, because the data which are using in accounting, these are recorded on the basis of past events, not on the present events, because in presently we are using that events, that transactions, whereas historic data may not be always appropriate for predicting future activities. That's why it is a demerit that every transactions are historical in nature. Provide insufficient information. Financial accounting does not provide detailed information related to departments, products, processes, service, any other activity within the organization. Or we can say that accounts provides only monetary transaction and non-monetary transactions are completely ignored. So it provides insufficient information which is not sufficient for the users. It presents data as a whole in terms of assets, liabilities, profit and loss of organization. Separate data related to specific activities are not presented, which may be required by management for decision making. Next, no cost control method. It does not have any role in controlling the cost or expenses of organization. Financial accounting provides cost data at end of accounting period, means when they are already incurred. It also does not check any wastage or losses of materials and misappropriation. Financial accounting has nothing to do with controlling the cost. Next, may be manipulated, or it is also called window dressing. Window dressing is very important according to 1 marks. What do you mean by window dressing? Window dressing means manipulation, changes. Information presented by financial accounting may be manipulated as per the desire of management. They may change the figures and present misappropriated data for their interest. Profit may be shown high by them to attract equity shareholders, or they may reduce it to evade tax. Last, records actual cost. Financial accounting does not consider the price fluctuations taking place from time to time. It records the historical cost or actual cost of the acquisition of cost. Acquisition of cost means purchasing of assets. The value of asset does not remain the same and it changes with time. Financial accounting in this way may present inaccurate information. Why it give inaccurate information? Because it records the data only on the basis of actual cost, not on the fluctuation basis. So these are the some advantages and disadvantages of accounting. Revise it, and window dressing is very much important. So take a look of this statement also. Thank you so much.